Hello guys, how are you? You are watching the Learning 360, the Learning Hub 360, and as you know, we will inshallah broadcast live commentary of T20 World Cup every match, after match and post match. So stay connected with us. In this video, we will talking about here are the picks of a T20 World Cup 2021 qualifier round. So let's go. The 2020 T20 World Cup is just around the corner as 8 teams gather in UAE and Oman to play the first round of the tournament today. The first round of the tournament has been divided in two groups containing 4 teams each. The 4 teams within each group will play against each other once, and the top of 2 teams in each group at the end of the first round will qualify for the Super 12 stage of the tournament. The 4 qualified teams will join the top 8 ranked T20 international teams in the world in the Super 12 stage. The Super 12 stage will contain 12 teams who have further been divided into groups containing 16 each. Former T20 World Cup champion Sri Lanka along with Bangladesh have been added to the first round of the T20 World Cup due to their low ranking at the time of T20 World Cup draws. They will be joined by Ireland, Netherlands, Scotland, Namibia, Oman and Papua New Guinea in the first round of the T20 World Cup. All 8 teams will be vying for the 4 spots in the Super 12 stage of the tournament and will be determined to showcase their talent to their cricketing fraternity. Here are picks of qualifying teams. We were talking about Group A. Sri Lanka, Ireland, Netherlands and Namibia make up a group for the first round of the T20 World Cup. Sri Lanka are considered as the favorite to finish the group leaders. However, it might be a tricky group if they take the opponents lightly. Ireland are considered as the other challenger from the Group A, but their form is worrisome. They recently lost a 3-match T20 series against UAE and struggled to adapt the condition and offer. The Netherlands can prove to be tough opponents to anyone on their day, with the experienced T20 players Ryan and Doche and Rolif Wonder move in their squad. They do have the ability to case a few upset. Namibia are the lowest ranking team in the competition and will find it tough in the first round. They do have the services from this former South African all-rounder David Wiese, who was played for Lahore Qalandars in the last 2-3 seasons. Everybody knows the performance he shown in the PSL and might have an outside chance. If he clicks, then Namibia will show anything else. Our picks for the top 2 side from a Group A and B Sri Lanka is from number 1 because former T20 World Champions possess a lot of quality in their ranks and will prove to be strong for the teams in their group. They have the world's second best T20 bowler Vanindas Harasanga in their squad, and they will rely on his variety of spin to bamboozle their opponents. Their team management also contains the like of former Pakistani head coach Mickey Arthur and Sri Lankan legend Mahela Jayawardene. Our second pick is from the Group A is Ireland. Ireland might have not produced the results they would have likely recent, but they still possess a lot of quality in Ireland opening batters. Paul Stirling and all-rounder Kevin O'Brien are 2 of the best players in T20 cricket in the world, and their captain Andrew Bill Bryan is a solid batter at the top of the order as well. The Irish will be looking to win their opening encounter against the Netherlands to set the tone for them throughout the rest of the competition. Or lose in the first match can cause serious trouble to their aspirations of making it to the Super 12 stage of the tournament. So talking about Group B, there's Bangladesh, Scotland, Papua New Guinea and Oman have been put together in the Group B of the first round of the T20 World Cup 2021. This group is far more difficult to predict due to the similar qualities of the 3 teams Well, Bangladesh are considered outright favorites to qualify. The race is on for the other three teams to make it to the second spot. Historically, Scotland might be the stronger of the three teams, but the recent improvement of shown by Papua New Guinea and Oman should not be underestimated. Our picks for the two sides from Group B is Bangladesh number 1. With the likes of Shakib Al Hasan, Mahmudullah, Mashfiqur Rahim and Mustafizur Rahman on this side, Bangladesh will be the team to beat in the group. They are moderately acquainted with the conditions and have a strong spin attack to trouble any side in the world. Bangladesh will be expected to win all three matches comfortably and book its place in the Super 12 stage of the tournament. Our second pick is Weavers Scotland. This pick was much more difficult, but the Scotland might prove to be a bit strong for Papua New Guinea, and even they have their prior experience of the playing T20 World Cup, which will come in handy in their first round. The other two teams still have an outside chance, but the lack of experience at the highest level might lead to their exit from the first round of the tournament. The Netherlands and Papua New Guinea are the two teams to watch out for in the first round of the tournament, and who knows what trick they might have up in their sleeve. Unfortunately for Oman and Namibia, their chances of progressing to the next round look grim. Viewers, if you like our video, please subscribe our channel and stay tuned because we will go live every match. Thank you so much for supporting us. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.